Without AQUA Concierge, how do you, with limited time and income, get something on the market that you know is a beautiful property? I no longer have kids in the home, and after living in the same home for nearly 30 years, the home needed some major TLC. At this point in my life, I just need something easy. They completely modernized the kitchen, put in completely new floors. The house looks lovely. I was able to bring it up to the beautiful house it really is, and to get it to market quite quickly. They took all the pressure, all the decision-making off my shoulders. Painting, they did the landscaping. They did all the cleaning, then the staging. The transformation has been literally remarkable. Every step of the way, it's breathtaking. It was like, I wish I did this 20 years ago. It was turnkey. You just hire them and it's done. I could have never done this by myself. I think it's the best thing I ever did.